here's how to make a cursive T. We'll start with the capital T. So we're going to start by almost being up at the top. We'll do a little bit of a diagonal line down. Once we hit the bottom, we'll go up and over. So it's almost like a J there. And then we'll do a little loop and a curved line up at the top so we can see that T. So go down, up and over, loop and curve. Okay, without the tracing lines. Down, loop and up, little loop and curve. Just like that. Then we have our lowercase t. Again, you can kind of see how it looks like the regular T. We're going to go all the way up, all the way down, give it that little tail, and then we cross in the middle at the end, like you would do if you were writing a regular T, a manuscript T. Going all the way up to the top, down, give it a tail, and cross. Up, down, tail, and cross. You'll notice it's a little bit slanted. If you do it straight up and down, that's fine too, but most of our cursive letters are going to be a little bit slanted. Then here's the letters to make the word 10. Crossing afterwards when you're completely finished with the word.